अरे बुरी जा दिया माल ला आगे Show me. Show me. One minute. One page is saying it is not a combat. No, this is our land. Which is your land? Show me. Where we are working. No, it's not a question of देखो तक आपण आम्ही तुम्ही सर रेस किती रेस कोणाका बेस्ट आम्ही सर आहे त्याकडे आम्ही सर आहे मी प्लॅन आणि कितो तुम्ही सर पळ ओके do one thing you demarcate your area and you असं कोण काय बोलले ना तू तुझ्या एरिया डिमार्केट कोण दाखव डिमार्केट एरिया व्हायला टॉकिंग सिम्पली तुमच्या डिमार्केट दाखव डिमार्केट your area shows where it is why is it talking about whether this land it is you demarcate your plan shows your plan demarcate the area
कुठे बघ एले ते प्लॅन हळला प्लॅन हळले ते मी म्हणजे प्लॅन दाखव सांग मला पहिले त्यांचे प्लॅन दाखव इनकी आमचे विलेज चे मी कुंभा
around 26 meters from center of the existing plant
there 11 meters
right side में left side and that is not constant कम ज्यादा
now we are giving another 10 meters.
This is for land acquisition. We are going this much
Extra.
no you are going
This is additional, but you are not acquired.
see let me
tell you one thing. This is already railways on this boundary and beyond which what is our requirement we are going to
you are going for land
just tell me let me tell you
Okay,
up to this it is already there. This is our railway boundary. If you want me I'll show you from the existing track. This is the length already available.
so there are two things to it thing is
This is the
you,
plan.
second thing is you want to acquire
that is
so you are still not acquired that is what the villagers are saying
No. The portion which we are going to acquire, we are not working in that portion. No, not at all.
okay so show that so show your survey plan so show your survey show your markation and then
24 meters. 75. We are extending.
how much
75. What is your
go there
74.
5 meters thing है.
This is 35.
half of 80 90
ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹೊಡೆದೋಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಸರ್
what is the reading ha majir
बड़ा माइक
इधर है.
see mister your boundary stone is there already boundary stone is there south central railway ka
वो कितना मीटर है सर
कौन सा?
उधर लैंड बाउंड्री हमारा लैंड
yes sir
सर ये चेन है 75076 है हम जिधर खड़े हैं 75 150
ये लाइन आएगा.
हाँ सर
10 मीटर नहीं 10 मीटर जाएगा 10 मीटर लेकिन इधर वाटर
ओके इट्स योर बॉडी
पानी का है
flow it's your property but what you are going to do in between the waterway
नहीं 10 मीटर में आता
प्रॉब्लम
yes you come just 5 meters from here
ये इधर ही है बहुत दूर है.
प्रॉब्लम
you are seeing the outside
your property
you
but
are seeing the
water
outside
body in your property how you are going to tackle that?
That is the only thing. Our two line goes right to that. And moreover, the water when it and what has happened? The whole lake is got submerged.
Milu bakery
Ahead, not over here.
Please don't misguide us. Please don't try to misguide us. Nothing like misguiding. This is misguiding.
गावली मिठाई पोल्यूशन चांदा पंचायत